Alright, what's going on, guys? Today is the big day. Finally going to be installing the DKM Stage 3 clutch. Big shout out to Darren for helping me out with this install. Getting the car all set up and everything. It's going to be a long morning, but we're going to get this done. The first thing we're going to do is take off the intake, battery tray, all that shit, so we can have access to trans and all the cables and everything like that. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we're making some good progress here. We took off all the lining, everything like that, and we are working on the axles now. Rotors off, calipers off, axles out, and we're gonna put a fluid damper on as well. Alright guys, we're taking these trans bolts out. I'm taking this one out.
Are you taking the trans bolts out, or are you a
one.
transsexual?
Motor is supported by the brace. We're going to loosen up these 3 trans bolts and we should be able to proceed. DKM, this one's metal, this one's plastic. You decide. There we have it, guys. OEM clutch. There's the stock flywheel. The dual mass flywheel has a lot of play.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's still probably fine, but who cares? You put in a single mass.
Yep, single mass going in, baby. Let's go.
Well, it's probably gonna be stuck, but just in case. Oh, no, it's coming out.
Oh.
That's it, right there. Alright, now we're going to put the flywheel bolts on.
Alright guys, flywheel's in. Torque down, 70 foot-pound star pattern.